Programming your Saab 93 key fob, also known as pairing or marrying the remote, is a straightforward process you can do at home. This allows the key fob to communicate with your car's system for functions like locking, unlocking doors, and activating the alarm. This process involves using the vehicle's built-in diagnostics to sync the remote. This is particularly useful if you've replaced your key fob or need to sync an additional one. Ensure your vehicle is unlocked, all doors are closed, and the key fob has a fresh battery. Insert the key into the ignition, but do not turn it on. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off 3 times within 10 seconds, ending in the on position. Within 10 seconds of the last ignition cycle, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 5 to 10 seconds. The vehicle's lights should flash, or the horn may honk to confirm the pairing. If you have multiple fobs to program, repeat the previous step for each one, up to a maximum of 4 fobs. Turn the ignition off to exit the programming mode. Test each key fob to ensure it functions correctly.